A blessed day, learners. Get ready to embark on a journey of learning and enjoyment in this video. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating topic on choosing the right tillage, a farmer's guide for sustainable crop management. Remember to stay safe, and may God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the primary purpose of plowing in tillage operations? A. Weed control. B. Soil aeration. C. Seedbed preparation. D. Surface leveling. Which of the following implements is commonly used for plowing? A. Rotary hoe. B. Disc harrow. C. Chisel plow. D. Spike tooth harrow. What is the main goal of disking in tillage operations? A. Weed control. B. Seedbed preparation. C. Soil aeration. D. Compacting the soil. What comes after disking in the sequence of tillage operations? A. Plowing. B. Harrowing. C. Cultivating. D. Subsoiling. Which tillage operation is specifically aimed at breaking up compacted soil in deeper layers? A. Plowing. B. Harrowing. C. Cultivating. D. Subsoiling. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Tillage is a crucial agricultural operation that involves the mechanical manipulation of soil to create a suitable seedbed for planting crops. The primary goals of tillage include seedbed preparation, weed control, and soil aeration. Different types of tillage operations can be used, and the choice depends on factors such as soil type, crop type, and environmental considerations. Here are some common tillage operations involved in preparing the land. Ang pagbubungkal ng lupa ay isang mahalagang operasyong pang-agrikultura na nagsasangkot ng mekanikal na pagmamanipula ng lupa upang lumikha ng angkop na punlaan para sa pagtatanim ng mga pananim. Kasama sa mga pangunahing layunin ng pagbubungkal ng lupa ang paghahanda ng seedbed, pagkontrol ng damo, at pag-aeration ng lupa. Maaaring gumamit ng iba't ibang uri ng pagpapatakbo ng pagbubungkal ng lupa, at ang pagpili ay depende sa mga salik gaya ng uri ng lupa, uri ng pananim, at pagsasaalang-alang sa kapaligiran. Narito ang ilang karaniwang operasyon ng pagbubungkal na kasangkot sa paghahanda ng lupa. Plowing, primary tillage. Plowing is often the first and deepest tillage operation. It involves turning over the soil to bury plant residues, control weeds, and break up compacted soil. Plowing also helps in mixing organic matter into the soil, enhancing soil structure and fertility. Moldboard plows, disc plows, and chisel plows are common implements used for plowing. Pag-araro, primary tillage, ang pagbubungkal ay madalas na ang una at pinakamalalim na operasyon ng pagbubungkal. Kabilang dito ang pagbaligtad ng lupa upang ibaon ang mga nalalabi ng halaman, kontrolin ang mga damo, at basagin ang siksik na lupa. Ang pag-aararo ay nakakatulong din sa paghahalo ng mga organikong bagay sa lupa, pagpapahusay ng istruktura at pagkamayabong ng lupa. Ang mga araro sa moldboard, mga araro sa disc, at mga araro sa pait ay karaniwang mga kagamitan na ginagamit sa pag-aararo. Disking, secondary tillage. After plowing, disking is typically performed to further break down soil clods, level the surface, and mix in any remaining plant residues. Disc harrows have rotating circular blades that cut and mix the soil, preparing a finer seedbed. Pagkatapos ng pag-aararo, ang disking ay karaniwang ginagawa upang lalo pang masira ang mga bukol ng lupa, patagin ang ibabaw, at paghaluin ang anumang natitirang mga nalalabi sa halaman. Ang mga disc harrow ay may umiikot na pabilog na talam na pumuputol at humahalo sa lupa na naghahanda ng mas pinong punlaan. Harrowing is another secondary tillage operation that follows disking. It refines the seedbed by breaking up clods and smoothing the soil surface. Harrows may be equipped with tines, teeth, or discs, and they can be used for both seedbed preparation and weed control. Ang harrowing ay isa pang pangalawang operasyon sa pagbubungkal ng lupa na kasunod ng disking. Pinipino nito ang punlaan sa pamamagitan ng paghiwa-hiwalay ng mga bukol at pagpapakinis sa ibabaw ng lupa. Ang mga harrow ay maaaring nilagyan ng mga tines, ngipin, o mga disc, at magagamit ang mga ito para sa parehong paghahanda ng seedbed at pagkontrol ng damo. Cultivation is the process of stirring and loosening the soil around growing plants to control weeds and aerate the soil. Cultivators are typically used between rows of crops to remove weeds and create a weed-free zone around the plants. This is often done using implements such as rotary hoes or spike-toothed harrows. Ang paglilinang ay ang proseso ng paghalo at pagluwag ng lupa sa paligid ng mga lumalagong halaman upang makontrol ang mga damo at magpahangin sa lupa. Ang mga magsasaka ay karaniwang ginagamit sa pagitan ng mga hanay ng mga pananim upang alisin ang mga damo at lumikha ng isang zone na walang damo sa paligid ng mga halaman. Madalas itong ginagawa gamit ang mga kagamitan tulad ng rotary hose o spike-toothed harrows. Subsoiling is a tillage operation that targets deeper soil layers to break up compacted soil, improve drainage, and enhance root penetration. This is particularly useful in areas where soil compaction is a problem. Ang subsoiling ay isang operasyon ng pagbubungkal ng lupa na nagtatarget ng mas malalim na mga layer ng lupa upang masira ang siksik na lupa, mapabuti ang drainage, at mapahusay ang pagtagos ng ugat. Ito ay partikular na kapaki-pakinabang sa mga lugar kung saan ang compaction ng lupa ay isang problema. Minimum tillage, conservation tillage. In contrast to traditional tillage, minimum tillage or conservation tillage involves reducing soil disturbance to a minimum. This helps to maintain soil structure, reduce erosion, and conserve moisture. No-till farming is an extreme form of conservation tillage where the soil is left largely undisturbed. Sa kaibahan sa tradisyonal na pagbubungkal ng lupa, ang minimum na pagbubungkal ng lupa o conservation tillage ay kinabibilangan ng pagbabawas ng kaguluhan sa lupa sa pinakamababa. Nakakatulong ito upang mapanatili ang istruktura ng lupa, mabawasan ang pagguho, at mapanatili ang kahalumigmigan. Ang no-till farming ay isang matinding anyo ng konserbasyon na pagbubungkal ng lupa kung saan ang lupa ay halos hindi naabala. Rotary tilling. Rotary tillers have rotating blades or tines that till the soil by cutting and turning it. This operation is often used for seedbed preparation in vegetable gardens and small-scale farming. Ang mga rotary tiller ay may umiikot na talam o tines na nagbubungkal sa lupa sa pamamagitan ng pagputol at pag-ikot nito. Ang operasyong ito ay kadalasang ginagamit para sa paghahanda ng seedbed sa mga taniman ng gulay at maliit na pagsasaka. It's important for farmers to carefully choose the appropriate tillage practices based on their specific needs, considering factors like soil type, climate, and the crop to be planted. Sustainable and conservation-minded tillage practices are gaining popularity to minimize environmental impact and maintain soil health over the long term. Mahalaga para sa mga magsasaka na maingat na piliin ang naangkop na mga kasanayan sa pagbubungkal ng lupa batay sa kanilang mga partikular na pangangailangan, isinasaalang-alang ang mga salik tulad ng uri ng lupa, klima, at ang tanim na itatanim. Ang mga gawi sa pagbubungkal ng lupa at maingat sa konserbasyon ay nagiging popular upang mabawasan ang epekto sa kapaligiran at mapanatili ang kalusugan ng lupa sa mahabang panahon.
What is the primary purpose of cultivation in tillage practices? A. Seedbed preparation. B. Weed control. C. Compacting the soil. D. Surface leveling. Which tillage practice involves minimal soil disturbance to conserve moisture and reduce erosion? A. Plowing. B. Rotary tilling. C. Minimum tillage. D. Subsoiling. What is the extreme form of conservation tillage where the soil is left largely undisturbed? A. No-till farming. B. Harrowing. C. Cultivating. D. Disking. In which type of farming are rotary tillers commonly used for seedbed preparation? A. Large-scale farming. B. No-till farming. C. Conservation farming. D. Small-scale farming. Which implement is equipped with rotating circular blades for breaking down soil clods and leveling the surface? A. Moldboard plow. B. Disc harrow. C. Cultivator. D. Chisel plow. What does harrowing contribute to in tillage operations? A. Weed control. B. Soil compaction. C. Seedbed preparation. D. Subsoiling. Which tillage operation involves stirring and loosening the soil around growing plants to control weeds and aerate the soil? A. Plowing. B. Cultivating. C. Harrowing. D. Subsoiling. Which factor is not typically considered when choosing appropriate tillage practices? A. Soil type. B. Crop type. C. Air humidity. D. Environmental considerations. What is the primary goal of subsoiling in tillage operations? A. Weed control. B. Soil compaction. C. Seedbed preparation. D. Improve drainage and root penetration. Why is sustainable and conservation-minded tillage gaining popularity among farmers? A. It increases soil compaction. B. It maximizes soil disturbance. C. It minimizes environmental impact and maintains soil health. D. It accelerates erosion. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.